Welcome back to my channel. Today we have the Walmart box. This box comes out seasonally, so you only get it 4 times a year, and they say it's free and it's $5 for shipping, but as far as I'm concerned, it's a $5 box. So let's go ahead and get into it. Usually it's filled with samples, sometimes full-size products, and it looks like this time I have plenty. We open it up, looks like that. So what I got is Head and Shoulders Scalp and Hair Conditioner. Don't know that I will use this or not, but there it is. Then I have Hello Naturally Whitening Toothpaste, and I can always use toothpaste, so there's that. And then they also gave me a toothbrush by Hello. Yeah, Hello, I guess it's just Hello. It's charcoal infused tapered bristles, which I needed a new toothbrush, so perfect timing. And then there is this NYX lip oil. I'm probably not going to use this, so I will probably stick that in the fall giveaway. And then I have a daily purifying cleanser. Now this is for oily skin, and I do not have oily skin, so I will not be using that either. And let's see what else we have in here. There is this Calm Magnesium Supplement, and it's flavored in raspberry and lemon. And magnesium is very important, so I will probably use that. And then it had a card on the magnesium as well, telling a little information about it, and this card. I'm not really sure what that card is, but it's always in there. So for $5, I think that's a good deal. You know, it's not like tons of stuff, but you know, I think it's a good deal. But that is it of the box. I know this is a short video, but I mean, there's not a lot in there. So there you go. That is it. That is all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.